Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And all I can say is that the chart actually is human. I was starting to wonder because after each and every day for the past basically week, it's just been new high, new high, new high. And today it actually did once again put in a new high, to be fair to the bulls. But then there was a little bit more of a pullback. Now this makes the chart look, or I should say this chart, from a presentation standpoint, this chart analysis is pretty tricky because now there's a whole bunch of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 15 minutes after buying, well then, yeah, from that perspective, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. The price did pull back today. But today, that's 1 day. When you look at multiple days, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer stretches of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different outlook and strategy going into the trade. And the case in point here, and just to really, let's apply the KISS method. So yeah, this line still pertains, but I just want to really clean this up. And like I said, we'll apply the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, you probably know right where I'm headed at this point. But it's all about the 50-period simple moving average being denoted by that purple line right there. And as I've said time and time again in past videos, from the big picture, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then that implies that the price is put in higher lows, and that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They put in higher lows, and that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do kind of insult your intelligence. So again, as long as the only way for the price to stay up above that purple line is to put in higher lows. And again, higher lows is the name of the game from the bullish perspective. So yeah, I get it. Today, the price pulled back, but the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. And like I said, that opportunity, the overall health of the chart all revolves around the purple line. As long as the price is above it, then the bulls are still in 100% control of the trend. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, still the dollar mark is public enemy number one. Yeah, the price temporarily got above it today, but the price could not maintain above it. Therefore, a dollar does still need to be considered that area of resistance. All in all, though, just keep on building higher bases, stay up above that purple line, and the bulls remain in full control. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.